people, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Therapy. Now, you might have seen in the news recently that 2 people lose their life at Lincoln Avenue. 1 get injured. I'm not going to talk about it because when the man lose their life, the police was able to recover a weapon, an infamous rifle. One year I talk about already known as the Marshy, named after 87, named Bucky Marshall. That youth was so prolific with the death and destruction that even when him gone, right, his name permanently branded that rifle. Anybody who inherit it, right, no matter what them go do with it, it's still known as the Marshy. When people talk about dopey and rifle, weapon have dopey on it, the amount of dopey with upon that rifle, not just people, right, from the area, but even outside of it. What happened? Well, you see, it all boiled down to, right, your favorite overseas, criminal, Bird Brain, and the Bird Nation. See, Bird Nation man, them pull off a drive-by, right, take out a youth named Dan Dan, who is aligned to bother them. Dan Dan lose him life. Jeff, upon hearing what go on, and Dan Dan a film link, decide say it now go so, and instantly arise the Marshy, the infamous Marshy. After Jeff run gone down there, right, say I go make back a dopey, film bridging, cause I know 87 thing already. Jeff end up buck up in the police because remember Dan Dan lose him life first, right? So the police respond to that killing. Police step on the scene. Jeff being so, emotional over the loss of Dan Dan, obviously wasn't thinking it through. Gone with rifle now. Same I go wet up Bird Brain man then. Woke up to the police. Police them lay him out flat. Police them manage to not just take out Jeff, but to take the Marshy from him. Now, if you want to see pictures, because it's very rarely you see a news site, right, post pictures, right, of the actual man them lay out flat. Right. If you want to see them, right, you can go on this website you see on your screen right now. It's called thedenjamaica.com. Them actually have the picture of them a Dan Dan on the ground, and them actually have the picture of Jeff, right? Look like him deep on a hospital bed or something. Right? Eyes them half open, gone. Right? Not only that, them have the screenshot from a video I did cover one long time ago. Remember one time I did talk about the 2 youth them get mashed up, right? And them head look like egg when it drop on the ground. Right. It was the Marshy that was used to do that damage. Right. Mash up the youth them head, empty out everything like nothing left back. Right. On the same post you see so, right, on thedenjamaica.com, them actually post a screenshot of one of the youth them head. Right. I don't know how much people did see it, I don't know how many people did miss the video or miss the picture of them, but you can see it, right, on this website. But I tell you said the youth head not have nothing left in it. Gruesome scenes. It was the same Jeff we did now that took part in that hit. So him gone. Jeff was actually wanted by the police, quote unquote wanted, because he did walk up and down the place all along. That's why I say quote unquote wanted. Jeff was a major 87. One of Badard top 87s actually. So this is actually a major loss, right, for Badard side of things, and Bird Brain them probably a drink NSC and a celebrate right now because them love when time them type of youth get take out. Because he's ready and willing for just go for man, right, and just rise rifle and don't think too much about it. Them type of people are just too hard to predict. Right. So Bird Brain them probably a celebrate right now. Plus remember Dan Dan gone too. So when you think about it, Bird Brain is celebrating a number of victories right there. So Jeff gone, who's a major threat to them, Dan gone, right? And the Marshy, right, is no longer a problem to deal with. Right? Remember in the video I did where you could hear second jail, right? And they were asking where the Marshy there. Right? They were really concerned about that Marshy and the twin man. Right? And they really want it back, but obviously they never get it back. Right? So them probably even happy as the police have it, because if them can't get it, then they don't want nobody to have it. If the police, right, investigators run a ballistics on that Marshy, them that friend for so much to put upon it. Remember the triple murder? Early in the year, around January, at the Marshy do that. I'm actually waiting to see if they're going to release the ballistics on that weapon, because I would love to know how many victims, right, it have officially. I say officially because the police are come up with a number, right, where them are going to say, well, this is what them can find. But the unofficial number is actually much higher. Because remember, police match ballistics when time them find a round when they can actually get some kind of ballistics off, and enough of the time they can't find nothing from the round based on how much damage street or whatever. Or sometimes they don't even look in a certain place, because they might say, alright, match the ballistics, right, for every case we'll find in a St. Andrew or even Kingston as a whole. But guess what? That Marshy go all over Jamaica to take people's life. And it have come from Bucky Marshall days. Remember I said Bucky Marshall used to use it for FEME 87 missions them. So from Bucky Marshall days to Jev, right, we're dead with it. You know how much people that? You know how much life that? You know how much head mash up that? Well, you know they're on the road no more. But seeing as how your favorite leaders, right, don't even have a law, in Jamaica it's not, right, there's no law on the books to deal with the trafficking of such weapons in the country illegally. The man then probably replace the Marshy by next week. Right, they just link them bridging, do shipping a new one or shipping 5 more, because I know the law they can't come. A complete joke. I'm not saying the law would stop it, but at least it would have put a deterrent. Because man I go think twice. At the moment, man get catch and bring in much weapons in the country and it's a fine. Think business about fine, especially in a multi, I don't know if it's billion, but in our industry we bring in much money, right? At least millions. It's definitely a multi-million-dollar industry, possibly multi-billion. And who knows most things they might ship in. Right. So that's all I forward about one little fine. I don't know, take it up with their favorite leaders, because it still doesn't make sense to me. So expect retaliation. Come to know it, Gary. Dan and Jeff and them, and them now go just drop and I eat that. And I go retaliate. And the violence will continue. And South St. Andrew will likely continue to top the murder charge. Do you know how acidic a division have to be? For top, right, the murder charge at Jamaica, across the whole Jamaica, South St. Andrew consistently or come out on top. We must say Clansman base, no they are South St. Andrew. We must say Moby 87 them for all for them killing, they are South St. Andrew. And at this so consistently atop the murder charge, at least for the last couple of years. And even though JCF themselves call out Bird Brain, and say them no say at him, one of the major violence producers in the division, we can't see no action. But then again, what you expect? Look upon your favorite car salesman. This man is quote unquote wanted by the great Interpol. A man on TikTok. I make videos every day. And them can't get Uncle Sam to go pick him up. But Uncle Sam get for them fugitives and for them wanted man and for them person of interest picked up though. Right. Uncle Sam go as far as to work with JCF. Right. Forget for them picked up, right, and carry back America. But JCF just want call name, put out two picture, which is exactly. That's show yourself when you think about it, what's the difference between, right, your favorite police force and a little YouTuber? Because that's what a little YouTuber would do. So well, the man I do this, right, and see me, and then but can't actually act on it. Right. But I same thing JCF do. Them say, see, the TikTok boss, yeah, and then not do nothing. Them say, see, bird brain, yeah, right, him go on because of him, right, I fund too much madness in the community, and then they not do nothing. And as usual, when I go stop say it, is either them can do it or them don't want to do it. I know them can do it, right, because we see say them actually have an agreement with Uncle Sam, and Uncle Sam do it in Jamaica. The Jamaicans both can do it in Uncle Sam place. But I digress. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, whole life. Culture Squad, stay circling. Less.